Hello, I am Abraham Kabiaban. I studied at... I live Yapawan. Wow! Hello, good morning. I am Abraham Kabiaban. I live in mga Titang Balacat, Pampanga. I studied at Don Chodoro B. Santos Institute. I completed my study at...
I'm a computer learning center. I used to work at Quezon Sidera as a encoder. I am very proficient at using Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Dreamweaver, Adobe Flash, and also Microsoft Office.
Ibig mag-start. Kick na.
Running ponding ABS-CBN.
No, panay na pa. Pangabagya, 5 minutes.
Namin doon.
Shot mo na pa kay...
Kapot naman namin, murag skill. Okay.
O, para. Ay, dami tayo suluwaw.
Kakanyan.
Rane. Gusto nila.
Ano, lagyan mo yung charger mo.
Yata eh.
Danala ko man na may bidala kasi ako. Aris Reyes. I live at Daw Mabalaat, Pampanga. My career objectives is to acquire a position which will enable me to utilize my skills and knowledge as grow with the company's progress. To be an asset to the company as it best be instructor and find useful innovation for the company.